Hello everybody! We have some terrible situation here with the Ianos Hurricane that hit the island, but it left some little gifts behind, and I'm about to turn one of these. So let's go to the lathe after more than 1 month. At the moment it isn't fit well on my lathe, so I need to turn the head. Also, I move the head a bit in front so to have better stabilized on the lathe. Now here I do a mistake. I need to turn the head to the other side. As you know, every time that we turn a wood must have some really crazy knots. And here I have one. As you see, the tool can cut very nice here. But when it goes end grain on the knot, it's really hard to cut. I was so excited to start make this bowl that I forget my lathe table to use some old and dry savings that will be absorb the water from the wet bowl. So I let it overnight. The surface is a bit drier, so I can use my sanding disc after. But first I need to do a chuck base. Because we do other techniques outside after, we do sanding until 220. Now we add it on the chuck is still very heavy. And now is the time for and that was the inside. Now we'll go to the other side. So now it's ready. We use this hard PVC brush. We're done with this, the hard one, and now we'll use the soft PVC brush. As you see, it's starting to be shiny. and I can tell you that we are ready to finish. So now we are ready to finish, and here it is. So here it is. I let about 1 week before I finished this video, because I was about to paint it or not, but I decided not to paint it and I like it as is it, so it was time to finish that video. This bowl reminds me all these days with the Ianos Hurricane and the after things. I am kind happy that I can make something beautiful out of this disaster. So that is the Ianos bowl. I hope you find it interesting and enjoyed it, and I hope to see you again soon. So until the next time, take care.